Hello, my tube stars. More bikini action for you. Oh yeah, you guys ready for it? These ones are a little bit smaller than the last ones, so we're going to be a little more restricted on what we're able to show, but we're still going to have fun with it. You know why? Because that's what we do here at KatieBanks.tv. Roll the intro. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I am a bikini fanatic, if you didn't know. This dates back to a long time ago. I used to always be the girl who every summer season wanted to get 1 to 2 new bikinis. And always, I keep good care of my stuff, so I always carried on the bikinis from the seasons before. And you know, I like to mix and match. That's me. I'm the kind of girl who loves to wear all the colors at one time. Who says you can only have pink or just blue stuff? I like to put them together. So, having bikini try-ons now that I am online, I use lots of stuff, and now that I am all the time in a bikini, it seems all summer long, I like to have a plethora of options. So a very fabulous fan, you know who you are, thank you so much, sent me some really fabulous, super cute bikinis from a company I'd never heard of out of California. I was super excited to get them because I always want to try something new. Now, I'm always the girl who likes to get some more regular style bikinis, like from Cupshe, that are pretty yet sophisticated yet sexy and classy. But then I also like to get my thong back tiny bikinis that are great for tanning or just for feeling a little bit more like wow. So, you know, these ones are from BoutineLa.com. A fan of mine put me onto them and decided to be super sweet and treat me to 2, as well as a little lingerie outfit that was a little too see-through, so sorry I could not wear it on YouTube. You will have to go to my fan page for that. My fan page is a certain place with the initials of O-L-F, followed by my name. So these are from BoutineLa.com. So they come separately, which is very nice. I both enjoy bikinis that come as one coherent unit. You order medium, they come top and bottom all as one unit. And I do appreciate when I can order separate bottoms from tops, because I don't know about you ladies, but I am not the same up top as I am below. And depending on the style, I like to switch up my sizes. So being able to do so is kind of key, especially if it's a smaller bikini that might cut in or is a little bit more little, because you want to make sure it's going to cover the important bits. So I really encourage all ladies who are shopping online, as dreadful as this might sound, because I know none of us want to do this, take your measuring tape and measure yourself. Measure your bust, measure your waist, measure around your hips and the widest part of your butt so that you know your sizes, because nothing is worse than ordering something that comes, you try it on and it cuts in and you feel like, oh my God, I'm just going to go over here now. So we don't want to do that, right? We want to avoid all that problem. So measure. For reference, I am a 39, a 27, and a 39. So I'm a little bit of a weird size. I picked mediums because those are the sizes that seem to fit within my range the best, the size chart, and typically I find fit the best. That said, with these bikinis, I was going for more of a small look, something I could enjoy wearing while tanning, and that was a little bit more like wow. So just so you know, this is the Lavender wrap bikini top, halter top, and thong bottom. So because it's a thong, I'm keeping the rub on and I'm not showing you guys the back. I know, I'm sorry. YouTube does not say, no, Katie, you're not allowed to do this. So we don't want to get in trouble around here. So we're going to be good and keep it on. I love this top. It comes as a little tie. It is connected in the middle. It is connected by a tiny stitch, so if you really wanted to separate it, you could. It is nice that it stays affixed though, because you get this really fun, extra long, wrapped look that I like. Is always playful and fun with a new bikini without having to worry that you didn't tie it tight enough so this is cutting in and you're boom gonna pop out. The top is a little bit tiny, as you can see, but I do like the fit in a medium. It is very stretchy, cottony like material, so it feels uber soft and very nice on. I haven't tried getting it wet admittedly yet, so I don't know if, because it's kind of cotton based, if it's going to go a little too see-through. I like that it had the extra ties. The strings at the bottom are extra long. I typically, with an extra stringy long string top, will tie them to my bottoms like I've done here, because it kind of just keeps that kind of stretched crisscross look that you're kind of going for when you have a bikini like this. The bottoms are also a medium. They are a thong back, so I cannot show them, sorry. They're super tiny on the side, so that's not really a YouTube thing either, sorry guys. But one thing to note that I am absolutely in love with these bottoms. They come with the bra strap adjusters on the side. Having adjustable sides means I can make it as tight or as loose as I want or I'm currently feeling. This is major in my book. I will, of course, link these below so you guys can have a look at whatever you'd like and check them out for yourselves. I will say they seemed super reasonable for shipping, being that I'm up in Canada, and they were very reasonable for pricing as well. So the second one I absolutely love the color of, bright neon lime green. Yes. I went for something a little different in the top. This is a lime green V-cut top. The material is not cottony like the last one, but more your typical bikini material. I did get a medium, but I will say it is quite snug and a little on the smaller side. So I feel like I should have gone with a large, but I love the cut and the feel of it. It is very minimal on the sides. It has a great little shape up top. It's got a nice thick band along the bottom, which unfortunately doesn't have any adjustable increasable sizing or reduced sizing. It's just one size. So that's why I'm saying I think probably a large would have been a little bit more roomy, a little bit less snug, but that's okay. I bought this as more a suntanning bikini, so it's going for more the small look. So it accomplished that goal. These bottoms are the lime green minimal bottoms. They are minimal, but super cute. Again, they have the adjustable bra strap like ties on the side so you can adjust as you need. So super fun, super cute, good quality. And yes, the X that you see on all the items, that is their brand. It's just a little X. So something just cute and fun to wear tanning. I don't know if I wear this to the beach. The back is very minimal thong, so that might be a little bit much on the butt cheeks. If you want to see the extended try-on without the robe, you know, more fun in it, you got to check out my Patreon for that. That is, of course, linked at the end and in the description below. And the Patreon is where the extra fun happens. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. And there's a whole bunch of other videos on the screen that you might want to check out. Just saying. Bye guys.